Most favorite food, that food.
Are you excited?
Oh my, yes.
I'm really excited. I'm hungry.
So unique.
Go ahead, go for it. Today we're about a 1-hour drive from Saigon in the countryside where I'm going to experience Tet, or the Lunar New Year, with the real Vietnamese family. And I heard they're gonna let me drink a beer.
I hope you had an amazing Lunar New Year and welcome to the Year of the Dog. This is the final video in our Tet series, and if you didn't see them already, check out our huge Tet feast in Hanoi and my video with Helen Lay exploring the fermented pork treat exclusive to her home city, Da Nang. Today I'm learning about the Vietnamese food Banh Tet with my one-trip guide, Me.
Tet. Here we are today at Me's relative's house, and I'm gonna get the full Vietnamese Lunar New Year experience. But there is one thing I want to say. Oh my God, I sound like Willy Wonka's car. I dressed up a little nicer than usual because sometimes that's something people do during Tet to show the utmost respect. I think it's also important that I finally take this off.
No, what are you doing?
I think I need to take this off to be respectful.
No. Red is the good luck. So you better wear that.
Oh, this is actually good luck?
Yes.
All right, let's continue into your home then. So Me, what is so special about Tet?
Oh, when I was child, I really want to Tet to come because I can have like lucky money that people give in to me.
Lucky money?
Yes.
Does everyone get lucky money?
For the young people.
The food is named Banh Tet.
Yes.
It literally has the word Tet in the name. It's like Christmas ham.
We only do the Banh Tet things during that holiday.
Why is that?
Because it takes really long time to do. It's like a couple days to prepare and like 6 hours to cook it.
Whoa.
So we only do it in special occasions.
What's going on over here? What is this pot doing here?
Oh, they're cooking Banh Tet right now. I'll show you how it's done.
That's so awesome. Okay, it's right here. We're gonna see the process, and that's coming up next, right after this commercial break. Kai, stay there. Can you stay in the smoke for a little while? We need a cool smoky shot. Let's go inside and figure out how they make the Banh Tet. Okay, and now we're inside. Ciao, Cole. How you doing? I don't know if I can sit with my legs crossed because my jeans, I got the new skinny jeans. There's so many things in here. She just put some pork belly in there?
Yes, that's right. It's
So is
pork
this
fat.
it's a banana leaf on the outside?
Yeah.
And then rice, sticky rice.
Yeah, and mixed with like black beans and then mung bean. So you put a pork fat in the middle.
Yeah.
And then pour in one more layer of sticky rice.
It's crazy to me that you guys boil this. I can't believe this gets boiled. Although that makes sense. I guess it's rice. You gotta boil rice, right?
Yeah.
But it's amazing that it stays in there. So she's so good at like making it tight. It has to be really tight, right?
Yeah, that's right. So a beautiful Banh Tet, the pork fat has to be in the middle, and the whole case has to be firm, and the sticky rice has to be soft enough. You like have to steam it with the proper amount of time.
We're pumped. We're excited. It's Tet. It is literally Tet right now as we shoot this. I'm gonna have to edit it, I don't know, like tonight or something.
Yeah.
So people can see this video in time.
Really hard work.
But it's literally Tet right now. Chúc mừng năm mới. Thank you.
My amazing host is making two kinds of Banh Tet. The classic version has sticky rice, black bean, mung bean, and a strip of pork fat down the center. After boiling for 6 hours and being sliced, it looks like this, taking on some of the green color from the banana leaf. We'll also try a sweeter variety made with pounded mung bean and coconut as the center, instead of pork fat.
So she's kind of put a heel or a cap on one end, and she's gonna pack it down to make sure it's super tight. That is gonna boil later on for 6 hours.
Yes.
Really laborious, but I think when it's all done and cooked, will it be worth it?
Yes, absolutely.
How long have you been making Banh Tet?
Bà ơi, bà làm bánh tét được bao nhiêu năm rồi ạ?
Lâu rồi.
Yeah.
Hồi nhỏ tới giờ đó.
Since she was a child, she started making this.
Do you think this tradition will slowly kind of go away and more it'll be people just getting it from shops and not making it themselves?
Yes, that's what she told me before.
Once these are all prepared, they're gonna be boiled. We're gonna eat some Banh Tet, and we're gonna eat a whole traditional feast with the entire family too. And I heard I get to drink a beer.
If you act properly.
After boiling is complete, the Banh Tet can be sliced and eaten as is, or it can be fried. Our hosts are frying up a portion for us to try before dinner.
The Banh Tet is ready for consumption, and here I am in the kitchen with Me. They've fried it in some oil, and they look delicious. So here, it's really beautiful because you can see all the layers in there. The bean, What's up with all this wildlife here? The rice on the outside has been crispified, it's brownish, and then you've got a nice fatty piece of fat on the inside. You're just gonna use a chopstick to kind of break it apart?
Yeah.
Oh, so the fat kind of becomes like butter. So we're gonna dip this in some soy sauce?
Yes.
All right, should we go for it?
Most favorite food. That food
Are you excited?
of mine, yes.
I'm really excited. I'm hungry.
So unique.
Go ahead, go for it.
And we have it with some pickles. This is not cucumber.
Yeah, pickles are fine. I like pickles. That tastes great.
Yeah.
It is crispy, it's fried. The soy sauce adds a great amount of salt to it. Because alone, this is kind of plain tasting, right?
Yes.
So this has kind of all some textures and flavors, but you're getting all your salt from the soy sauce. Nice spicy soy sauce. Ooh, that is yummy.
You can feel the taste, the savory taste of this through the cameraman face now.
He looks jealous. He looks like he's in pain. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. All right, another dip, another put it in my mouth. Yeah,
No,
that's
it's
great.
so yummy. Just
Well,
once a year.
Just once a year.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Oh no, mine disappeared already. We're gonna go eat a full meal with everybody now, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just here as a guest, but really, your relatives have come together and they've created this insanely huge feast, and I can't wait to try it out.
Before we eat, I wanted to take a moment to thank our incredible hosts for inviting me to share in this beautiful holiday celebration.
Can you explain one more time how the lucky money works?
This is like the very good size and like the gift of the year. Yeah, if the first day of the year you're gonna receive this, the whole year is gonna be smooth.
Oh.
And you're gonna get more and more gifts and good luck from people.
Let's go give it to them. I want to say sincerely thank you so much for letting me be a part of this and for all the incredible work that's gone into making this meal for us to share and to get to show my audience too. So thank you so much. And I got these for you.
Cảm ơn.
Thank you nha.
Yeah, come on. And I wish for you health, wealth, and happiness.
Dạ, bạn đó chúc ông bà là sẽ có thật là nhiều sức khỏe, sẽ có thật là nhiều may mắn và tiền bạc trong năm tới. Dạ.
Già đâu có làm có tiền. Cảm ơn.
What did he say?
He said he do nothing for money. So like he's old now, he's retired now.
Maybe it could fall out of a tree, though.
So he wish you too. He wish you getting more and more successful with your channel, and especially like have good health to keep purchasing your dream.
Với thêm cái nữa là sang năm mới á, chúc bên gia đình của cháu á.
Even he wish for your family the same thing.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Go on. Go ahead.
Alas, it is time to eat. The table is packed with tasty treats. Boiled bitter melon stuffed with pork and wood ear mushroom, pork belly, Chinese sausage, some plants, chalua, congee, the classic Banh Tet, the sweet Banh Tet, and so much more.
So guys, listen, I behaved well. I was a good boy, and now I get to have a beer. Doi tut beer.
Tôi thích bia hả?
You need to choose.
Quốc luôn.
Yes.
This Banh Tet is like a energy-packed food. It's full of so much. It's just heavy. Let's try it out. Not super sweet. It's just got some natural sweetness. Delicious. I like it. We also have this. It looks like a pickle that's stuffed with tuna, but I know that's a bitter melon, and everyone's like, "Why are you talking so loud right now?" It's because we're making a food show. Bam, right over here. A pro. She's making a little roll. Don't get nervous, but literally 100,000 people are gonna see you make this roll. She's put on some boiled pork. Oh, and Chinese sausage. Who cannot love Chinese sausage? So she's gonna keep working on that. I want to try that one.
Yeah, let's have it.
So this is pork,
Yes.
and it's just inside of a bitter melon.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You eat the whole thing?
Yeah, so
Any
dip
sauce?
it to fish sauce.
Không có được không ngon không?
Hôm nay
Oh. Yeah, look, she agrees. That bitter melon is not bitter at all. Once you cook it, it's like a giant green bean. And it almost, And it's got a delicious soft pork inside. So salty with the fish sauce. We got some rice paper. We're gonna put some herbs on there. I freaking love Chinese sausage. Oops, I put way too much. Oh, there's a refill, guys. We're reloading the congee. Very popular. Everyone's like, you should not be this excited about food. Pork belly.
But the rolling part is the most important one.
Bam. Oh no, something came out. Get in there.
No, you have to. Too late, too deep into it.
We put that in there.
Yeah. And boom.
Beautiful, beautiful taste. So when you were a kid, what did you do with your Tet money, with your lucky money?
My mom kept it all.
What the I want to go talk to her right now. Really? She kept it all for what?
I don't know. She just said she's gonna save it for me.
Hey, but maybe when you're like 35, she'll be like, bam, $10,000.
Yeah.
Interest. When he was a kid, what did he do with his Tet money?
Ông ơi, hồi nhỏ khi mà ông nhận được lì xì á, thì ông làm gì với cái số tiền đó? He bought some snacks.
Like candy?
Snacks, yes.
I think we're done. That is it for you guys. I do want to say, I always do this. I'm trying to do a conclusion and I put food in my mouth. I do want to say again, thank you all so much for inviting me today. This was an awesome experience and I can't wait to chow down with the rest of you on all this awesome food. Can you say that for me? Guys, I hope you had an awesome Tet. Thank you so much for watching and I just want to say,
Chúc mừng năm mới!
Nailed it. Bye.
Hai ba vô! Oh. Good end.
This TED series is made possible by One Trip Vietnam. One Trip is a tour company putting on tours in Saigon, Hoi An, Da Nang, and many more cities to come. Food tours, adventure tours, and more. Riding with One Trip really is the best way to experience the real Vietnam. For more information on One Trip, check out the links in the description down below. Happy New Year, everybody. I will see you next week. Peace.